G'day guys, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this week's video. Quite often when you go to a timber yard to buy a slab of wood, they come with the live edges still attached. So there's a process to getting rid of that. Obviously you can't put it on the jointer straight away because it'll wobble and it's a pretty unsafe practice. So one good thing I've come up with, it's a quick and easy build. It's a type of little jig you can make in about an hour's of preparation, and that will cut yourself a reasonably straight line, flat surface on the bandsaw. So we're going to go and make that now, and if this is the first time you've viewed Sumo's Projects, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That's advisory to let you know when I do put videos out, and give it the thumbs up. Alright, let's go and make this. Many timbers are not machined on the edges, so one process we have to do is do it ourselves. We can't do it up against the fence, so making a little jig like this, as you can see, is just another alternative. Putting 30mm ply, 1.25" down to 800mm, approximately 30 inches. I then go to the router table and proceed to take half the depth of a cut for some T-track. Then I just adjust the cut a bit and do the final cut to size. I insert the T-track with screws, and then I go to the table saw and cut some hardwood down. This is going to act as a cleat, which will run on the edge of the bandsaw. I then go across to the drill press table and drill a 25mm 1-inch hole, and this is going to take a dowel which will help me push the whole jig forwards. And as far as a clamping mechanism, I have this auto adjust Craig clamp, which is an absolute fantastic accessory that can be utilised on many jigs. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next build. So when you take a look at this, it's I've used a resaw blade on my bandsaw, but the whole reason for this, as you know, when you get a slab of wood, it's normally got all curves and that in it. That's the natural growth of the tree. So one way you can do it is also make a similar jig and go to your table saw. I think sometimes you're limited a little bit by how you set it up. So for that reason, I ran the T-track down the middle, and that allowed me to put a clamp, which I did have and will utilise on other jigs as well. So I think it's good if you can multi-purpose some of the equipment you have in your shop, and the reason I did this is because I just wanted to get rid of that rough edge, and I could then put it on my jointer, flip the board and do the next processes I want to do in my milling process. So guys, that's just one quick way to do it that I've found practical in my shed. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next build. See you later.